random module in Python. Agenda of this video: learn random module, random method, choice method, randint method, shuffle method, uniform methods, randrange methods. These are all the methods of the random modules, and some program on random module. Python random module is an inbuilt module of Python which is used to generate random numbers. Randint is a method of random module which generates a random numbers in between two range, and the last range is also included. Random, this function generates a random numbers in between 0.0 to 0.1. This is the floating number. So choice method, it is an inbuilt function of random module which returns a random item from a list. It is used for the list, tuple or string. Random shuffle module is inbuilt method of the random module. It is used to shuffle a sequence of list. That is, interchange the positions of the list elements. Range in a Python offer a function that can generate random numbers from a specified range and also allow rooms for step to be included. So its steps you can also write using the random methods. So before practical implementation of these methods, that is the random methods, randint methods, choice methods, shuffle methods, and randrange methods. Now what is the actual use of this random module? So the use of random module is in the gaming purposes, gaming programs, for the lottery related works where the users has no choice but the computer can generate number. Now we learn all these methods practically. Practically we will check all these methods. The first method is, before using the random method, we have to import the random module. Now first use the random function. This function will use. So random function generates the random numbers between a range from 0 to 0.1. 0 to 0.1. So if you are writing random, so it can generate any type of in between 0 to 1. These are the numbers. So it can generate any number in between, floating numbers 0 to 1. So this is the first method. Next method is the randint. Randint means random integer value. So this method, random dot randint one comma 10. So you can see it is generating any number in between 1 to including the 10. So each and every time it will generate a next, thus just like if you in the dice of Ludo, in the Ludo playing, the dice generates each and every time the different numbers, or it may be the same number also, in between that range only. So it is generating there. So now you can see that it generates the last value also. So this is the methods related to rand int. Now the next next function is choice function. So this function is used to for the list, tuple or string, that is the for any sequence. So suppose the list is like that. So any number, anything, you can store anything in a list. Now now if I'm writing random dot, for before using the random we have to import the random function. Import random, and then random dot module name, and then choice module choice L. So first it is generating, then next time it will generate another number, next time. So in this way it can generate any of the value from the list, and it can repeat the values also. So this is the choice function. Then one function is the randrange, random range, randrange. This function has one specialty, that it has the steps also. It has the steps. So for using this, steps are required if you exclude some value there. So you can see it through this program. Example program is there. So you can understand this through this program. So here 4 is there, and in between range is 1 to 15. So it will not generate 4, except 4 it can generate anything. So suppose this time all the things are generated but excluding 4. Now if you run again, then again you cannot get the 4. Okay, so suppose I want to exclude 3, then right here, and you can see that in the generated number 3 is not there. So this function is used for generating in between some range, random numbers in between range, and a step is there, so that steps is excluded in that particular random numbers. So now, so this program is clear to you. Now next is the next function is, so the next function is shuffle. So this function is used to shuffle the list values. So suppose the list values are like this, and use the random module, import the random module. So the next method is uniform method. So in the uniform methods, decimal numbers in between some range. It's just same as the, in this case decimal values are required. So for that purpose uniform is there. So it is generating the uniform number, uniform, that is the decimal numbers in a random place. So these are the some of the functions which we have learned, and after that we will do some programming part. Now the programming part of the random module. So in the random module we learned all the things related to random module, its definition related, its methods, and practical of these methods. And then we have two programs for the implementation of the random module. One is related to the guessing a number. So this program is accepting a number from the user, and computer is generating a number. The program will run as per the user's choice. If users wish to continue the program, then you have to give the choice yes or no. If he gives the choice yes, then it will ask for the next time. If both the numbers are equal, then it displays the message you win, otherwise you lost. So you can see this is the answer, and this is for the user's choice, and this is the yes answer is there, and this is for accepting the number from the user, and Cn is the computer is generating a numbers from 1 to 6, and then the check the numbers. If both the numbers are equal, then you win, otherwise you lost. So run this program and check. So guess the number between 1 to 6. So suppose my number is 5. So computer generated 3 and my number is 5. So loss. Now if you want to continue, then again enter some number. So both numbers are not again same. So loss. Again create and generate a number. So now both the numbers are equal. So my number is 4 and computer generator number is 4. So both are equal. So this time you win. So after the implementation of this program, now we'll go for another program that is related with the CBSE board. Generally in the CBSE board, these types of question they ask. That is one program is there related with the random number, and then they ask some choice as per the random number generation of the random numbers. They out of this some choices are correct. So this is the program. One list is there and some cities names are stored there: Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, and one loop is running here from y in range 4. So this loop will run this statement, this two statement 4 times. So 4 times, each and every time 4 values it will generate, and the randint value as per the generated number of x, that is in between 1 and 3. In between 1 and 3 it will print, either of the. So the list initial value is 0, so it will not generate Delhi, and it will generate up from Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So out of this 1, 2 and 3, when 1, 2, 3, the number is generated by the randint function, and it is stored in X is either 1 or 2 or 3. So out of these four cities, only Mumbai, Chennai and Kolkata can be displayed. So out of these all options, Delhi is incorrect, it is not correct, and then again this C part, A or C is not correct, but B and C may be there. So run the program and check it. So first time we're running from Mumbai, Kolkata, Kolkata, Mumbai, and then when we run again it, then it will generate next set of cities. So Chennai, Chennai, Kolkata, Kolkata. So here is the next sets, and whenever we generate run the program, it will generate a different set of numbers, but Delhi is will not be there. So accept the Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, any random way it can display. So thank you for watching the video. If this video is informative to you and it helps you, so further getting these types of video, you like this channel and subscribe the channel. Thank you. Watch again.